有啲有感動叫你做，原來之後個祝福大到想像唔到嘅，印證勁得咁緊要嘅。但之前呢，係唔可以講得俾我哋聽噶嘛。問題我哋有冇咁嘅心啊，有咁嘅耐性啊，去同神溝通呢？因為神嘅標準要求更加高噶嘛。但我哋對人都唔會用呢種心態去容忍、體諒、和諧地長久溝通噶嘛。同人都唔得，咁更加唔使講同神啦。
You speak in quiet changes, in people I see every day, in awkward aching lunches, in words I never say. If I can't hold this fragile heart across a crowded room, how could I hope to hold your hand in silence with the moon?
人與人嘅溝通都未搞得掂呢，其實嗰個人係冇資格同埋唔配得同神溝通嘅。但係問題就係香港人天生咧係唔得嘅，唔係西方內心嗰種光明正大啊，真係愛神啊，識得佢過生活啊，識得同人相處啊，識得 make friend 啊。香港係好小家好狹窄㗎，咁所以變咗未用策略 game 就真係點破咗呢一點。
Teach me to talk like family, let my words build shelter homes, turn our halls and crowded desks into tables of our own. If I can't care for people right here in this place, then I will miss the subtle ways you're guiding